guys, it's your girl Victoria, and I'm back with another video. Before I get into this video, I do want to say like, subscribe, and comment, and thank you guys for tuning in. Yeah, so as you can see by the title, this will be a video on a company called Alidormi, and let's get into the video. So I don't want to make this too long. I know I've been MIA, but you know I like to give you guys my cons and pros. I always start off with my cons first for you guys who don't know, and then I'll move on to my pros. And yeah, let's get into the video. So my cons on this hair is, number one, presentation. That is a con. You guys know I love presentation, and I didn't have no presentation with this company. I don't have the bag with me right now, but I can give you an example because I have an exact bag somewhere. And this is what the bag looked like. It came in a bag just like this with no name on it. So let's say to someone who got hair like this and, you know, didn't really know nothing. How would you know, you know? Like, I think companies should brand their stuff. And of course, they're Alidormi, they have a name, stuff like that. But I feel like they should have it on a package. I don't care if they sent me a package like this. I don't care if they sent it to me in a bag like this. But I do feel like they should put their name on it. And, you know, promote. That's like the biggest key to getting people to know your company. By the way, this company is an Aliexpress company, so you guys go check them out on there. My second con is the closure. I actually don't have the closure in right now because I was not a fan of it. I actually have a deep conditioning right now because I went to bleach the closure and it just started to do the most. I over bleached it. And how did it bleach? This closure just bleached so fast. So I do advise you guys to test, like cut off a piece of the lace, the front part, like the far part out on the lace, and test it before you bleach your hair, because I had a low developer this time. I did use a 30 developer and I put it on the hair and it just started to just bleach so fast. So test your hair before you do it. So that was my only problem. I have deep conditioning right now to see if I can fix it, because it just messed the whole closure up, and I'm not a fan of the way it's looking. So I just put the hair in my hair. I just sold it and did a leave out for you guys. That's all I have to say about the company as in cons. So we can definitely get to the pros. So my first pro on this company is texture. This texture is amazing. It blends so good with my real hair. I'm in love with it. I love the hair. I love the texture. Another pro is the smell. It has no smell, of course. Yeah, it has no smell. It kind of smells good. Like, I don't know if it's because I've been having it in a certain box for a while. Because I've been having the hair for a minute, but I've just got around to it because I've been super busy. But the smell is amazing. Another pro is shipping. This hair came in a day before I was supposed to get this hair, and so that's always a plus when you receive hair faster than you thought. So that is another one of my pros. Another pro is communication. I definitely believe if there was a problem with your order or your hair or anything like that, this company is really willing to reach out to you, reach back to you within, I would say, within a day. Be mindful that these companies do business with a lot of people, and you guys are always ordering their hair because they're amazing. They have nice hair, so you have to be mindful of these people. So I do say give it a day for them to reply. Mind you that these companies are not in the US, they're in China, so they have different time standards. So if you text them at our time, regular time, let's say it's 3 o'clock, don't expect to get a time back at 3 o'clock, because it's probably like nighttime over there or something like that. But don't be impatient or anything like that. So yeah, this company is very willing to help in any kind of way. That's pretty much all I have to say about this hair. This hair is really nice. I like it. It's true to length. Of course it really is. I'm in love with it. If you guys want to see how I got these curls, let me know in the comments. I definitely will do a tutorial because I love loose curls like this. So pretty. I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and definitely go check out their page. You ain't gonna regret it. You're gonna be like, I'm gonna buy some hair, Victoria, and I love it, because that's definitely what you're gonna say. You're gonna love the hair. So thank you guys for watching, and tune in to more videos.